Hi, I'm Richard Schoeller, and I'm glad that you visited my website. In this particular clip, I want to talk just briefly about clairaudience. Clairaudience literally means clear hearing. The ability for people in the spirit realm to convey to us information through hearing or sound. In describing clairvoyance, clairaudience, and clairsentience, or mediumship, the process, I've always talked about how people in spirit are at a higher rate of vibration. They slow down their rate of vibration. Mediums are at a lower rate of vibration. They speed up their vibration. And in that space between the two realms, people in spirit will convey information through the central nervous system. In the case of clairaudience, people will focus the energy through the nervous system out to the auditory nerves for you to be able to hear something. Now, I usually hear it within my own head. Now, some people will say, well, how do you know you're hearing it in your own head and it's not yourself talking? In learning how to discern clairaudience, my teacher has helped me to understand that you localize. You ask the realm of spirit to localize the information so you know it's a spirit realm, and you test the spirit realm. So what I would do, I used to ask spirit to localize it to one part, if you will. And if I heard it somewhere else, I wouldn't take it as information received from the spirit realm. But in my years of studying now, I've become aware that they will focus it on the area that I've asked for, which one shows me that they are intelligent. People in the spirit world have moved into a higher rate of vibration. They're maintaining their conscious awareness and they want to work with us. So they're focusing information for me to hear on that area of my brain, so I know it's the spirit realm. I'd like to use an example in a reading. More often than once, I've said an expression. I'm trying to recall one in this moment. There's one where I said to a gentleman that his grandfather was coming through and that his grandfather was using an expression, for example, tight as a clam. It's an old expression, and it's an expression that refers to people's frugality. And in reference to one of his family members, the grandfather was using the expression tight as a clam. And I just said to him, your grandfather's referring to your cousin as tight as a clam. And he burst out laughing. He said, my grandfather always used to use that expression. That shows me that, one, people in spirit are clairaudiently trying to convey the information. Two, when a client can start laughing and say, oh my God, that's what the relative used to say, there's a validation of information, and it further validates the communication process.